I'll keep updating you ku tiles omulimu gufaanana bulungi nnyo right now. Tumaze osiba and those pieces when tugenda take out shower mixer egenda beera wano. So this is the shower. So this is a mixed bathroom. It has a toilet here. We are putting a toilet around there and a wash basin here. Then when wagenda bawo mirror, bw'obona ab'engalo wetunulamu. So there is a mirror light there, and then this is a walkway. So at this side osobola oteekako glass egenda okuziyiza n'obeera ng'oli mu kiyungu kyo. This side, sorry, ng'oli mu kiyigo kyo ng'otaddeko glass at the same time ne toilet ng'eri accessible. What we did to this bathroom is that twataddeko emirundi ebiri. If you look at this bathroom, tugiprotectinze ekyamazzi twakimaze around there around 1 meter ne tuprotecting ekikwatagana n'amazzi agabatawaanyi eyo mwenna kisingako n'oteekateeka nga tonnaba kuzimba nga tonnaba kusiba tiles zo nga tonnaba lowooza ku bizibu by'amazzi kutawaanya. No protecting. So when you have a base contractor, you will have a good work, and for a long run you will be enjoying the luxury house you want to put on the face of the earth. So right now tumaze okusiba bino byonna kantwaleko this time around eno nayo osobola okubanga olaba. This is the common bathroom. Tumaze nayo kugisiba, and you know it's a design nungi nnyo. It's like a marble within but nga tile okitegeera. Tumaze ogisiringa bulungi wawetegereza joints zaffe nungi nnyo. So right now grout ali mu kukala okitegeera. Tumaze groutinga bulungi, then corner strips twazitaddeko dda. The rest of the parts wagenda wao ceiling, and it's going to be a gypsum ceiling. So tulinde paka tunatakayo ceiling byonna ogenda kubiraba ebigenda okuhappeninga in this bathroom. So nkutwala ne mundala, this is an apartment of, these are the tiles we are putting in this room. Tutekamu zino tiles era sikyaliwo, tukyakola omulimu gw'amaanyi. Zino ziri wano endala zikyali mu store. When you come here, this is the beauty of this master bedroom bathroom. You see, the wash basin is going to be at this place. You see, this corner wagenda bawo wash basin onabirawo engalo, and then your mirror is around there. Then the toilet is going to be around here. We are expecting to cut that slab to salewo ekituli tutekewo ekituli bulungi. This is a shower. The mixer is going to be here and head up there. So nino dinisa. From here you can have the view nobanga olabe biri eri at the same time nga bwonyumirwa life yekigo. So right now tugenze mu maaso sigala ngo tugoberera. This is the bathroom of the master bedroom around here. Wofuluma eno mu kisenge oyingira buterevu. You have a shower, take a shower, just go do what you can do inside here obenga weyagala bulungi nnyo. So sigala ngo tugoberako 0751108 tukubireko. Engineer Devi, I'll be on the line to answer you. If you have a question, weyagala okubuuza ebibuuzo bya bwereere tetubicharginga, please tobereyo nogamba nti bancharginga. No, if you wish to pay, then that's only you, but now for us we give you the service. Inquiries are for free, consultation is for free. Come and ask what you don't understand. Kyoyagala okumanya ku project yo jangu obuuze tugabane. Gwayagala plans, ayagala kuzimba nyumba, ayagala kola renovation, okyuse nyumba enkadde ogifuule empya ogiteeke ku mulembe ogikube langi omupya waine eyiika plaster yayiika. Tukubire ku namba zaffe za 0751108 tuwuliriganye ku simu okitegeera. Tugoberereko ku TikTok, Stay in Construction Company and Stay in Construction and Design. Tugoberereko, tuyina channels zaffe emikutu ebiri ku TikTok, tuyina Facebook pages biri, tuyina YouTube accounts biri. Tugoberereko Stay in Construction. Mukama akunkumire.